All right, picture this. You walk into your biology class and your teacher asks, so, what exactly makes something living? You might say, it grows, it reproduces, it's alive. But is that all there is to it? Let's break down the living world in just 3 minutes. First up, what does it mean to be living? Sure, living things grow like how a puppy becomes a dog or a sapling turns into a tree. But hold up, a crystal can grow too, right? So growth isn't unique. Next, living things reproduce, making more of themselves. But then again, some machines can copy data, and even some mules can't reproduce at all. So it can't just be that. Here's the full list. Living organisms show growth, reproduction, metabolism. That's all the crazy chemistry happening inside you 24/7. Consciousness, meaning they sense and respond to the world, and cellular organization. Everything living is made of cells, the building blocks of life. And consciousness? Only living things get to enjoy that. Your phone doesn't freak out when it's about to fall off the table. At least, not yet. Now, look around you. Earth is home to about 1.7 to 1.8 million known species. That's what we call biodiversity, the wild variety of life forms, from towering redwoods to tiny bacteria. But with so many species, things could get confusing fast. That's where taxonomy steps in. The science of naming, classifying, and identifying living things. You've probably heard of scientific names like Homo sapiens, right? That's binomial nomenclature, dreamed up by Linnaeus. Every species gets a two-part name. Think of it as the international ID card for living things. And there are official rule books, ICBN for plants, ICZN for animals. So how do we organize this giant family reunion of life? With a hierarchy. Memorize this. King Philip came over for good soup. It stands for kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Species is the most specific, kingdom is the biggest. And how do biologists actually study and identify all these life forms? They use taxonomical aids, herbaria for pressed plants, botanical gardens for living ones, museums for preserved specimens, zoological parks for animals in action, and special keys, like a flowchart of yes or no questions, to narrow down exactly what that mysterious creature or plant is. So here's the big takeaway. Being alive is about a combo of features, not just one. Scientific names let biologists across the world know exactly what species they're talking about. And taxonomy? It keeps the chaos of Earth's wild diversity in perfect order. All right, next time you see a plant, animal, or even a weird bug, remember, there's a whole science making sure we know exactly what it is and where it fits in the living world.